Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to log into TextPro using the F2F Auth app. Let's walk through the simple steps to get you started. First, download the F2F Auth app on your mobile device. It's available for both Android and iPhone. Simply head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for F2F Auth and click Download. Once the app is installed, open F2F Auth app. You'll need to log in using a QR code. This code will be sent to your registered email address. Remember, this QR code is a one-time process. Once you log in, the code will expire. Now, head over to TextPro on your web browser and log in using your credentials. After entering your details, a new QR code will appear on your screen. Now, switch back to the F2F Auth app on your mobile device. Tap on Sign In, and you'll be directed to the scanner. Use the scanner to scan the QR code that appears on your screen in TextPro. And that's it. You're all set. You've successfully logged into TextPro using F2F Auth. Thank you for watching, and happy using TextPro. If you need further assistance, feel free to contact us on TextPro support at Fibre2Fashion.com.